Hello everybody, this is Syncretic 3D, and in this video I will show you how to create translate nodes in Blender. It's very boring, but very useful for later on. What we have to do is create a new material on any object in your scene. I'll add to this cube right here, and let's give it a mapping node. For our example, we will see it applied to a checker texture, right here, and a texture coordinate node. Use the object coordinate and plug it into the vector right here. Let's view this node right here, and we can move it on the X, Y, and Z location. Now to make the node with just these features right here, on the X, Y, and Z axes for the location, we can add a combine X, Y, and Z node, plug it right here, and then group this together right here, Control G, and use the X, Y, and Z location, and move the vector down to the bottom here. And if you want this to be closed by default, what we can do is hop into the group node and change the vector to use a textures vector, like so, and you can see that one is closed. So we will delete the first one, remove the texture, since now we have the vector from that texture, and plug this into here. Let's call this translate 3 for the 3 axes, and create a fake user. Alright. Now we can move it on the X, Y, and Z location without looking at the other options here for the rotation and the scale. Now to create the translate 1 node, all we have to do is copy the translate 3 node and Control G to group it together and plug all these axes into one input. Remove the Y and Z and rename this to translate. Name this translate 1 and create a fake user. Alright. In the future, the videos will get a little bit more interesting than this one, but we had to have foundation first. And I'll see you all in the next video of this course. Bye.